I wish I could say I've always been a Christian, but friend, that just wouldn't be true. For there was a time when this old heart of mine was lost and broken in two. Then I met Jesus, and in an instant my